What is going on, Toyota fans? This is Andrew from 4Runner Customs. Today we're back with another 4th Gen 4Runner video. This video is a little bit different from my normal modification and outdoor content. Today we're going to be showing you how to quickly replace the rear wiper blade on your 4Runner. So let's dive right into it. The first thing you want to do is remove this plastic piece. Now I found the best way to do so is to use both hands, pull out a little bit, and then lift straight back. And the reason you remove this is it allows the wiper blade to swing fully out. From there, you want to gently lift up and back on the wiper blade. That way you can swing it open and change the blade itself. Now you can move to rotating the wiper blade out. Now the blade may feel like it naturally wants to stop in this position, but just give it a little bit of force and it'll pop open and be ready to be removed. Removing the blade itself is easy. You just need to kind of wiggle it and pull straight back to take it out from the hook. You're now done with the old wiper blade. Go ahead and grab your new one. Installing the new blade is just as easy as taking off the old one. All you really need to do is line up the mounting point with the C-clip. You want to follow the orientation on the screen and just drop it in there exactly like this. Again, super easy. Just make sure it's in there firmly. Well, some wiggling might be required to make it fit. After that, rotate the blade against the arm. You can then rotate the arm itself back against the window and make sure the arm is sitting correctly in the hook as seen here. From there, snap in the plastic cover piece in the same spot you took it out from, and that is it. That completes changing your rear wiper blade on your 4th generation 4Runner. If you're looking to upgrade your 4Runner or earlier Toyota and make it stand out, please check out our website, 4runnercustoms.com, link in description. Thanks.